Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share how I made this quick and easy card using the Artistically Inked stamp set from the annual catalog. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how to get started. I'm going to start with the sentiment for this card, and so I'm going to ink up my hello with the misty moonlight. I'm going to stamp it here in the bottom towards the right. And then I'm going to bring in this large flower image and ink it up with the fresh freesia. I'm going to stamp this randomly going around my card front. Once I have that done, I can bring in my Moody Mauve and the little rose image, and I'm going to stamp that randomly, moving it around the card front also. With that in place, I'm going to bring in my leaves here and my soft suede, and I'm going to pop a few of those around my card front, just randomly tucking them in. Let's see, as desired. And I think I'll put one right there. Now that I have that done, I'm ready to bring in this little floral image. It has 3 little flowers, and I'm going to tuck some of those around my card front also. Let's see, I'm going to place one here, and I think one here. I'm going to tuck a little yellow flower there, and even here. There we go, and I'm going to bring in the flower center here, and I'm going to stamp that quickly in the center of my fresh freesia. I'm ready for my little dot image here, and I'm going to ink that up with the soft sea foam and simply dot that around the card front randomly also. Just popping them here and there, and it's okay if it goes over some of the images since it's a nice soft color. I'm just adding a little bit of randomness here to the card front. So there we go. I've got my stamping done and I'm ready to start assembling. Okay, I'm going to bring my card base in here, fold it in half, and use my bone folder to make that crease nice and tight. And then I'm going to bring in my Moody Mauve and my card front sentiment panel, and I'm going to adhere that straight on to the Moody Mauve. Once I have that done, I'm going to flip it over and add some dimensionals. Now, this is a big panel, so if you wanted to add some in the center, you can, just to make it a little more stout and maintain its shape better. I removed my dimensionals, and I'm ready to bring my card front here and adhere it to my card base for a soft, lovely look. And then I'm going to bring in these beautiful rhinestones. I hope you can see those. They've got this beautiful iridescent look to them, and I'm going to take the small ones here and simply pop them around the front of the card. And I'm just popping those on randomly. Let's see, I've got 3. I think I'm going to add a couple more. And let's see, there you go. Real quick and easy with a little bit of shimmer to catch the light. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.